Mastering accessibility. Hidden biases are blocking disability inclusion in our organization. Who within our organization is responsible for ensuring that we provide reasonable accommodations for employees and customers with disabilities, and what specific accommodations do we offer to support their full inclusion and accessibility? Establishing a culture of accessibility, identifying responsible parties and accommodations. To ensure that our organization provides an inclusive and accessible environment for all employees and customers, it is crucial to clearly define the responsible parties and the specific accommodations offered to support individuals with disabilities. Responsible parties. 1. Accessibility Officer. Designate a senior-level executive as the accessibility officer, responsible for overseeing the organization's accessibility efforts. This individual will ensure that accessibility is integrated into all aspects of the organization, from hiring to customer service. 2. Human Resources, HR. HR will play a vital role in ensuring that all employees, including those with disabilities, have equal opportunities for advancement and development. They will provide guidance on reasonable accommodations, conduct accessibility training, and ensure that all HR policies and procedures are inclusive. 3. Facilities Management. This department will ensure that all physical spaces, including offices, restrooms, and common areas, are accessible and compliant with relevant laws and regulations. 4. Customer Service Team. The customer service team will be trained to provide excellent service to customers with disabilities, including those with visual, auditory, motor, or cognitive disabilities. 5. IT Department. The IT department will ensure that all digital platforms, software, and systems are accessible and compatible with assistive technologies. Specific accommodations for employees. 1. Reasonable accommodations. Provide modifications or adjustments to the work environment, tasks, or procedures to enable employees with disabilities to perform their job duties effectively. 2. Accessible technology. Ensure that all digital tools, software, and systems are compatible with assistive technologies, such as screen readers, magnification software, and speech-to-text systems. 3. Disability Awareness Training. Offer training sessions for all employees to promote disability awareness, sensitivity, and inclusion. 4. Flexible work arrangements. Provide flexible work arrangements, such as telecommuting, flexible hours, or job restructuring, to support employees with disabilities. For customers. 1. Accessible communication. Offer alternative formats for communication, such as Braille, large print, or audio descriptions, to support customers with visual impairments. 2. Assistive listening systems. Install assistive listening systems in public areas, including auditoriums, meeting rooms, and customer service desks. 3. Accessible seating. Ensure that all public areas, including waiting rooms and seating areas, have accessible seating options. 4. Train staff. Train customer-facing staff to provide excellent service to customers with disabilities, including those with mobility, sensory, or cognitive disabilities. Implementation and monitoring. 1. Accessibility Policy. Develop and disseminate a comprehensive accessibility policy that outlines the organization's commitment to accessibility and inclusion. 2. Training and awareness. Provide regular training sessions for all employees to promote disability awareness, sensitivity, and inclusion. 3. Feedback mechanisms. Establish feedback mechanisms, such as surveys or comment cards, to gather input from employees and customers on accessibility and accommodations. 4. Monitoring and evaluation. Regularly monitor and evaluate the organization's accessibility efforts to identify areas for improvement and ensure compliance with relevant laws and regulations. By designating responsible parties and offering specific accommodations, our organization can ensure that employees and customers with disabilities have equal opportunities for inclusion and accessibility.